Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our lemon cloud cookies, the full recipe, everybody. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we're gonna go to the store. We went on and picked up three ingredients. Cool Whip. Cool Whip is the main one that we're going for. We want to go for the original, everybody. Okay, one egg, the lemon supreme box of cake mix, and some powdered sugar. We're gonna add the whipped cream and the egg to the cake mixture, and we're gonna go ahead and mix everything up to the consistency that we're gonna show you here. It's gonna be perfect for these cookies, everybody. They turned out light and beautiful. So we're going to keep stirring, everybody. The whole thing of the whipped cream and the cake mix all together. Now, this is the consistency that we're looking for. Look at that, everybody. Look very closely. We want it to look like that. It's okay for a few lumps. It's all right. But now we're going to scoop it up with a scooper of a tablespoon scooper. And then we're going to go ahead and put it into the powdered sugar and roll it around and pull it out and put it onto the baking sheet, everybody. Look at that. It's going to look like this, everybody. When you cook it for another 22 minutes, look at what happens. Look at that. Voila. We had a nice wax paper here. We sprayed it with some vegetable oil. It's okay. It wasn't parchment paper. It works, everybody. Okay. Now look at that. Isn't that beautiful, everybody? I'm telling you, this is the cookie for the spring and the summer. The season is here. Just get the cooking, everybody. Make sure you guys pay attention, like, share, and subscribe below. And also, our cookbook is available on Mama Soul Kitchen for just desserts, child.